Hi, my name is Mandy from C&B Farms here in Kingston. I would love to show you around. Come with me. We have about 500 animals total on the farm. This is our cow-calf herd back here, which includes about 50 of those animals. And this is mama cows and their calves. And they are grown and raised here to go into our feedlot for beef production. This is our feedlot. We have about 350 steers in the lot, and they are for beef production. This is their feed. As you can see, there is corn in there, there's straw, there's distillers and silage. These are our donkeys, and these two are best friends. They are bonded and they never separate. They always stay together. Their function on the farm is to protect the calves from predators. If a coyote comes in the pasture, they will chase it away, or they will use their sound mechanism, their bray, when they go ee-aw, and it will scare the coyote away. We also have goats that we breed. These are boar goats, and they are meat goats. This is what we call our trash can duck. Every year she lays a nest in this trash can and sits on it for 35 days and hatches out her ducklings. Here is an example of a goose sitting on her nest. She is hissing at me because she wants me to stay away. Here are our chickens in the chicken coop. We have about 75 chickens, and they lay 1 egg per day. We have green egg layers, white egg layers, and brown egg layers, but the egg inside is all the same. Thank you guys for coming along on this farm tour with me, and I hope to see you guys back again soon. Bye.